Today's How page is a quick tip on how to solder copper pipe without burning up your mixer valve. The instructions with this particular mixer valve from Delta said not to use PEX for the connection down from the mixer to the bathtub spout. So what I did, since this is my first soldering attempt, as you can tell by all the solder everywhere, but it is sealed, is I went ahead and before I attached anything to the mixer, I soldered this connector. Right here, the sweat connection. Then I screwed that in tight to the mixer, made sure I had it all the way cinched down. And then, this is the spout for the tub. I soldered the spout on and making sure that it was at a flat angle. And then, since I'm more experienced at the bracing than I am at the soldering, I'm just going to simply frame my alcove wall so that everything matches up. So you can definitely solder. Let me show you actually the kit that I use.
Comes with the lead-free solder wire. Comes with the flux, the paintbrush. It also comes with a piece of sandpaper, and then I had to buy a basic torch. So it is possible to solder things. Not as difficult as I thought, but it definitely would have been a challenge if I had done it on the wall. So it was really nice to have it off the wall. If you like this, subscribe. If you have questions,